What's up, boys? Very quickly, I just wanted everyone to know I will be going on hiatus for roughly 2 weeks. So after this video drops, probably at least 2 weeks from this video dropping, I did order some new computer components. So when those arrive, this machine will be taken down for some parts to be extracted and inserted into the new rig. I know that sounded kind of weird. Basically got to harvest some parts from the existing PC to build the new one, and I really don't want to be goofing around having like one computer running trying to figure out the other one at the same time, so I'm going to just shut down the rig and build the new one. However, that does mean that when the new machine is built, that render times and just general productivity should just spike. Like we're going from, probably hours to, tens of minutes. So I'm actually quite excited about it. I know I'm not a computer channel, but I'll probably film the process and put that video out. Or chunks of video. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing here. We're kind of just doing what we do, right? So I do have a couple videos that I will be making here. In the interim, I got some fire making stuff that I want to go over, different materials and devices for that. I picked up the new to me, Philster OWB holster. This is I got two of these for the price of one. This is the PL350 variant, so anything with a Modlite PL350 on it will fit in this holster. So I want to do a review on those. I've had the OWB version of it for quite some time. It's awesome. I'm going to do more knife stuff, sharpening, testing, just overall tomfoolery with knives. So yeah, I got plenty of stuff to make videos on. It's just, again, the computer's been kind of the weak link here. That and my internet service provider. So yeah, if a video gets uploaded after this one, that's awesome. And any other updates or anything, I'll keep you guys posted. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I think we just cracked 600 a couple days ago. It is the day after, the Saturday after Black Friday, so I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving and didn't spend too much money on Black Friday. But Cyber Monday is coming, so you might have the opportunity to do so. So, all right, guys, just a quick update. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and if there are any dudes who are like into computer, gaming, computer parts and stuff, I'll do a whole build list and talk about all the shit that I got for it. I did go a little bit ham on this build. I knew kind of going into the YouTube space that I was going to need some significant upgrades over my older, which ironically 7 years ago today is when I built it. So it is kind of funny coming full circle. 7 years ago built it, 7 years later I bought a whole new rig. So yeah, it was not a cheap build, but I saved my pennies away, so hopefully it runs well. Anyway, all right, that's it. Peace.